Hey everyone, why do we travel and why do we need it? That's today's topic. So stick around if you want to understand why we travel and why we need it, because it's critical to who we are as human beings. I'm Steven. Welcome to SAK Travel Adventures. If you find value in this topic today, hit the like button, please subscribe, all that good stuff. So, what is travel? Travel, in a nutshell, means to work, coming from the French word travailler. Um, but travel, meaning work, is not work in the way that we think about it in our everyday lives, being, oh, it's something I got to do every day, Monday through Friday, get up and do this and do that and come back and it's the same old merry-go-round. No, that's our connotation of work that we've created for ourselves. But travel in terms of work means to get involved with the community. It means to get involved and learn the culture, get involved with the food, get involved with the people, all the things that you would do as if you were one of the people. As the saying goes, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Well, that's what travel is. Now the question becomes: is why do we have to travel? Uh, we travel for different reasons. We travel, and to go back to the root of the word, yes, it's the root of is to work. And ironically, yes, we do have to work to get to our vacations because between all the logistics to get there is work. But why do we need travel? Because we need to grow our minds. We need to recharge our minds. We are burned out from the day to day drudgery of what we do. So we need to recharge our minds to renew and get back to who we are. We need to also travel to reconnect with ourselves and connect with those we love. Um, whether it be kids, significant others, wives, whomever they may be in our group. And finally, also to revisit what we've done before, whether it be previous projects, work, places we visited in the past. That's all part of travel. So we're revisiting, we're recharging, we're reconnecting. That's the purpose of travel. So now we look at it and go, okay, what's next? So then it becomes, how do we travel? And that can be whether it be by car, by train, by bus, by airplane, by cruise ship, whichever way it is. But that's our means of getting to where we're going. And in certain topics that we'll be discussing here on the channel, some of those means of transportation have become destinations. That's what travel is, and that's why we travel. And we will be talking more about it in the future in other topics. So until then, thanks and keep traveling.